Hello friends, welcome to learn VB.net. Let us create or let us start window programming. Click on new project, select language visual basic, window based programming, window form application 1. Okay. In last lecture we have seen how to handle controls by using properties. Okay. First let us change property of form, font property. Let us make the size of font is 14. Okay. Now simple, let us create a simple application. Suppose here we want to create a simple Kelsey. Let us take label 1 for first value, that is number 1. Change the text property in front of that design text box. Then there is second property number 2, and we want to see result. Let us take one more label box and text box. Just copy paste it. And now let us design a simple button addition and one more for suppose multiplication. Okay. Whenever we use copy paste, then the first control is text box 1. After that there is label 2 text box 2, label 3 text box 3. Now let us create a code. For coding we have to open the form module. Double click on button. Here is the form module is open. Let us create a code. Here we want addition, that is value from text box 1 and text box 2 to be added in text box 3 or to be displayed in text box 3. Therefore let us create simple coding. Text box 3 dot text is equal to text box 1 dot text plus text box 2 dot text. But let us see what happen. Suppose we run this application, we put some value. Here the concatenation is performed. Why? Because whenever you put value in text field, then that value is considered in text format. Then your task is to convert this value to a numeric format. Then you have a different type of function. You can simply use val function to convert given string to a value, or you can also use cint function to convert value to integer. These are library functions. Here you are. Like this you can use multiplication, addition, multiplication. Okay, but here is very simple application. Now let us create a some logical application. Click on add, and you can take new form in the same project. Select window form. Okay, name of the form is form to add. Now again, let us change the font property because the by default size of font is small. Let us take it as 14. Now again, suppose here we want to create program for to display mark sheet of student. Okay, let us change the text of form mark sheet. Okay, now first take label 1, that is for roll number. In front of that text box, then there is next property is name. Next attribute is name. Now let us take marks of 3 subject. Make it small. Subject 2, subject 3. Now display total and percentage. Let us take buttons. First for result, next for show or new, and the last one for exit or close. Okay. In previous program, we have directly used textbox1 dot textbox2 like this, but in this program we have to use some variables. Then simply click on result button. Let us declare variable dim s1, s2, s3 as integer. Okay. Now within s1, store value from textbox 3, because textbox 1 for roll number, for name we want value from textbox 3. Then within s2, textbox 4 and 5. Okay. Let us declare total is equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3. Okay, now display. Let us display total value of total under text box 6. Then simply here use text box 6 dot text is equal to total. After that, let us calculate percentage as single, that is total divided by number of subjects. Okay, now display percentage under text box 7. Okay, now let us see the output. But if you directly run the program, then by default first form is under execution. If you want to change the startup object, then right click on window application 1, goes to properties, and here select startup object as form 2. Okay, write roll number, name, total and percentage. You can change values from here. Here percentage display After dot there are so many digits. Now let us control how to display percentage only up to 2 digit. For that purpose, here you can use a round function from math class, math library. Let us use round function and control this precision up to 2 digit only. As well as here we want to display name in capital only, as well as here whenever user put the marks, it allow only maximum 2 digits. Now let us set some runtime properties. First is textbox2 dot character casing is equal to character casing dot upper. Okay, and we want max value of textbox3 to textbox5. Max length is equal to 2, 4, 5. Okay, these are runtime properties. Here are value is only up to 2 digit. Okay, you can also add here status and grade also. Now how to work by using new command. While pressing new command, all text box, the value from all text box get clear, and we are ready to enter a new value. Simply use here property of clear. But for that purpose, let us use some shortcut. First, declare control, dim control as txt c control, txtctl as control. Okay. After that, let us use for a loop of for each txtctl in me, that is current form dot all controls. But we want only control of text box. Therefore, here use if type of command txt is text box. If the control is text box, then only set property of this text box to clear. Or you can simply use here dot text is equal to double quote. Okay. After that, let us set our control under text box 1. Then simple property is text box 1 dot focus. Okay. This is a shortcut we have used. If you don't want this shortcut, then you can use text box 1 dot clear, text box 2 dot clear, text box 3 dot clear, text box 4 till the text box 5. Okay. Again, let us put the data. Click on new. All box get cleared. Okay. And for exit, there is simple code application dot exit. But in this program, you have to add two more fields, status and grade. While calculating status, you can use formula of if, check the marks. We have done this such type of programming, console programming. You have to apply same logic for status and grade in window programming also. Okay, you can use if, switch, loop, all these controls under window programming. Let us add one more form. Suppose here we have used button factorial. We want to print factorial of given number. Number. Okay, let us make the font. Size of font is 14. Any big size than the current size. You can display result under text box also. Okay, let us take one control, one variable as integer. Then n is equal to value of text box one dot text. Okay, let us apply the while loop while n is greater than equal to 1. Before that, declare one more variable fact as integer is equal to 1. Okay, now the process is fact equal to fact into n. We have performed all this program while using console based programming. Then you can convert all this program to window based programming by using simple way. Now let us display the value of factorial under text box 2. Okay, now again change the property. Suppose the value is 5, factorial is 120, value is 7, factorial is 5040. Like this you can convert all the program console based program to a window based program for better practicing. In next lecture we will see how to create login screen. Thank you.